garage. Today we got a 1971 Chevelle. This is a true powerhouse. Big block Chevelle, all custom. It's got chrome radiators, Edelbrock intake, chrome air cleaner, chrome alternator. This engine is spectacular. It's got polished pulleys. It's got chrome radiator support cover. As you can see, they painted the inside of the fender wells. Usually it's black. This is red. It's got MSD ignition. This car is absolutely fantastic. A lot of detail was done putting this engine together. It is absolutely beautiful. Darren, why don't you come over here? It's got Dunlop Signature Series tires. It's got Reidler rims, four-wheel disc brakes, vented rotors. If you come inside here, the interior is also spectacular. It's got a custom steering wheel, custom gauges, Pioneer stereo, automatic gate shifter. The vinyl is in perfect condition. Door jambs, if you look at the door jambs, the inside of the doors, the gaskets, they're all in perfect brand new condition. As well as the door cards. The door cards are also in nice condition. If you look at the paint looks like it's been dipped. The car looks like it's been dipped in red paint. The stripes are also fantastic. You can't even feel the line where the black stripes go into the red. If you walk around the back, also the back is also fantastic. The chrome is beautiful. Dual exhaust. So if you want this type of muscle car and you want to buy it, come to Muscle Car Garage. Look at our website, www.musclegarage.com. We're located at 7 Industrial Parkway, main door 14 in Livingston, New Jersey. Our phone number is 973-758-8944. Thank you.